If you only remember one thing from this entire series, let it be this. The biggest mistake homeowners make during a kitchen remodel isn't choosing the wrong cabinets or the wrong countertops. It's hiring the wrong contractor. As a licensed general contractor, I've been called in to fix projects that should have been done right the first time. And unfortunately, by the time I get there, the homeowner has already spent thousands of dollars paying someone else. Today, I'm going to show you how to avoid becoming one of those homeowners. The first thing you should do is verify that your contractor is licensed and insured. This only takes a few minutes, but it can save you thousands of dollars. In California, you can look up a contractor's license online and make sure it's active. Ask for proof of insurance too. If someone gets hurt on your property and the contractor isn't properly insured, that can become your problem. The next thing you need is a detailed written estimate. If your estimate says something vague like kitchen remodel, $45,000, that's not enough. A professional estimate should explain exactly what's included, what cabinets are being installed, who is supplying the materials, is demolition included, is debris removal included, are permits included. The more detailed the estimate, the fewer surprises you'll have later. Another mistake I see is homeowners paying too much money up front. Every state has different rules, so make sure you know what's allowed where you live. A reasonable payment schedule is usually tied to completed work, not promises. You should know exactly what you're paying for before every payment is made. If a contractor asks for a huge amount of money before they've done any work, that's a conversation you need to have before signing a contract. Communication is another thing people overlook. Pay attention to how your contractor communicates before the project starts. Do they answer your questions? Do they return phone calls? Do they explain things clearly? Because if communication is poor before they have your money, it's probably not going to improve after the project begins. One thing I always tell homeowners is to get references. Ask to see completed projects. Read reviews. If possible, talk to previous customers. A good contractor should be proud of their work and happy to show it. Finally, don't choose a contractor based only on price. I know it's tempting. Kitchen remodels are expensive, but the cheapest estimate often becomes the most expensive project. If one contractor is dramatically lower than everyone else, ask why. Maybe they left something out. Maybe they're using lower quality materials, or maybe they're planning to make up the difference with change orders later. Price matters, but value matters even more. At the end of the day, your contractor controls almost every part of your remodel. They coordinate the schedule, they order materials, they manage subcontractors, they solve problems when unexpected issues come up. Choosing the right contractor is one of the most important decisions you'll make. I hope this 3-part series helps you avoid some of the most common and expensive kitchen remodeling mistakes I see every year. If it did, let me know in the comments what you're planning to remodel next. Is it your kitchen, your bathroom, or something else? And if you want help staying on top of home maintenance, planning future projects, or getting answers to your home improvement questions, check out the Workbench Guide app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.